ElectraCast.
The world moves fast. Your workday, even faster. Pitching products, drafting reports, analyzing data. Microsoft 365 Copilot is your AI assistant for work. Built into Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and other Microsoft 365 apps you use. Helping you quickly write, analyze, create, and summarize. So you can cut through clutter and clear a path to your best work. Learn more at Microsoft.com/M365 Copilot.
Welcome to NASA Daily, where we bring you all of NASA's previous day's proceedings in 4 minutes or less. In today's episode, we bring you NASA's activities for February 6th, 2026.
In late January 2026, a powerful winter storm blanketed all 100 counties in North Carolina with measurable snow for the first time in more than a decade. An image captured February 2nd by the Moderate Resolution Imaging Spectroradiometer aboard NASA's Terra satellite showed the widespread snow cover. Western mountain areas received more than a foot of snow. Charlotte recorded nearly a foot, its most since 2004. Raleigh measured 2.8 inches, and Greenville received 14 inches, its heaviest snowfall since 1980. Coastal areas including Carteret County also topped a foot. The storm caused dangerous travel conditions, traffic accidents, high winds and waves, flooding along Highway 12 in the Outer Banks, and several homes collapsing into the ocean on Hatteras Island. Aboard the International Space Station, Expedition 74 continued preparations for the arrival of NASA's SpaceX Crew 12 mission. NASA flight engineer Chris Williams managed Dragon spacecraft operations, transferred completed experiments, tested hardware studying cryogenic fuel behavior, and resupplied human research kits. Roscosmos commander Sergei Kudzverchkov and flight engineer Sergei Mikhaev conducted respiratory studies, configured research data systems, trained for Soyuz return operations, and reorganized cargo. NASA, SpaceX, and international partners completed a flight readiness review and cleared Crew 12 for launch. Liftoff is targeted for no earlier than 6:01 a.m. Eastern on February 11th from Space Launch Complex 40 at Cape Canaveral Space Force Station, with docking planned for about 10:30 a.m. on February 12th. The mission will carry NASA astronauts Jessica Meir and Jack Hathaway, European Space Agency astronaut Sophie Adenauer, and Roscosmos cosmonaut Andrei Fedyaev on an 8-month science mission. The crew has arrived in Florida and remains in quarantine ahead of launch. In a study published February 4th in Astrobiology, researchers reported that known non-biological processes cannot fully explain organic molecules discovered by NASA's Curiosity rover in ancient mudstone in Gale Crater on Mars. Scientists identified decane, undecane, and dodecane, and found that original concentrations may have exceeded what typical non-biological sources would produce, making a biological origin possible, but not confirmed. Also on February 4th, NASA's Solar Dynamics Observatory observed a powerful X4.2 class solar flare. Such flares can disrupt radio communications, power grids, navigation systems, and pose risks to spacecraft and astronauts, highlighting the importance of continuous solar monitoring. Those were the key activities for NASA on February 6th, 2026.
Subscribe to receive daily updates or rate or review so others can find us as well. Thanks for tuning in to NASA Daily. This has been an ElectraCast media production. Executive producers are Mark Netter and Peter Rafelson. Produced and edited by Delilah Sperrazza. Music by Amir Isaleh and Peter Rafelson.
Hey everybody, Diego here from the Candle Power Hour and Candle Power Records. Together with ElectraCast Records, we proudly present Imperial Highway, a California sampler. 15 singles tracked by artists all based in California. Every song on Imperial Highway is mastered to deliver. Rock and roll is back, and we got what you want. If you're craving new music, Imperial Highway hits the spot. Download Imperial Highway. Check us out at candlepowerrecords.com and listen to the Candle Power Hour on ElectraCast.
ElectraCast. ElectraCast.